I think this investigation is so important to the Icelandic people, and maybe because you are a very small society, it is important to have people from abroad.
Eva telur að hér verði hægt að sanna markaðsmisnotkun og misbeitingu valds í gróðaskyni, en það taki tíma. Og hún hefur ekki áhyggjur af því að mánuðirnir frá bankahruninu hafi eitt ummerkjum lögbrota. Flutningur peninga í heimi rafrænna viðskipta skilji víða eftir sig spor.
We will find and we will follow the money.
En telur hún að Ísland búi við nægum þjálfuðum mannafla til að sinna svona rannsókn?
What I think at this moment is that brave people, honest people, devoted people, hard-working people, they are the most important one.
Og hefur hún fulla trú á því að rannsóknin hér muni leiða til þess að fólk verði dæmt fyrir lögbrot.
That's why I'm here, and I can promise you that I will only stay as long as I believe that.
Eva Sjóli bjartsýn á að það takist að upplýsa möguleg brot sem tengjast efnahagshruninu hér á landi. Hún mun starfa hér í 4 daga í mánuði, milli þess sem hún mun sinna starfinu frá heimaborg sinni París. Hún greindi frá markmiðum vinnu sinnar á blaðamannafundi í Þjóðmenningarhúsinu í dag. Vinnan snerti marga fleti.
Concerning all the banks and a lot of other operations like market manipulation, embezzlement, break of trust, misuse of the company assets. So this will be a huge investigation and it will take years. The aim is that for me, maybe 2 or 3 years, we will have the first convictions where it will be said that in the name of the Icelandic Republic, we do convict you to X years of imprisonment. I think that there are serious offences, and that to judge by the consequences, that should qualify for severe penalties. I think that time has come for ordinary people not to stand this anymore and to come forward and tell what they know. And I think that with their help, we will be able to work much quicker and much more efficient.